Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indri Widyasari. Thank you for being here. I'm truly honored to have an opportunity to deliver my research. The title is The Impact of Instagram Social Media Marketing and Brand Recall on Purchase Intention, a study case of Kailan's ID. The advancement of technology has ushered in a new era in Indonesia's economy with the emergence of the digital economy. The development of information and communication technology in today's digital era has played a significant role in rapidly transforming Indonesia's economy. This has triggered a shift in customer behavior activities toward an all-digital era. Social media continues to evolve each year. According to Meltwater and We Are Social, there were 143 million social media users in January 2025. This number indicates that social media has become a major platform for communication, information sharing, and entertainment in Indonesia. There are various social media platforms available today, but according to We Are Social at Melwelter 2025, Instagram is the most favored platform among both male and female internet users, especially those aged 18 until 34. In addition, 62.3% of internet users over the age of 16 state that they use Instagram to find out about a brand or product. Instagram is used for promotional purposes by various types of brands across different categories. One of them is share fashion. Share fashion has emerged as a trend driven by marketing strategies employed by business actors amidst the increasing demand for clothing among Muslim women. The rise of Islamization and integration of knowledge has also influenced fashion, making shari fashion not only from obedience to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, but also trendy fashion style. The following chart show the number of Instagram followers that three shari fashion brands. Based on the chart, Kaila's ID has the lowest number of followers compared to its competitor with the similar characteristics. Therefore, it is important to further examine the purchase intention condition towards the brand's Kaila's ID, which is the main object in this study. The sales turnover charts in 2024 show that Kaila's ID experienced a gradual decline in sales turnover each quarter throughout 2024. This condition indicates an issue with customer purchase intention that needs to be studied to improve future sales performance. There is an assumption that is visualized in the purchase intention as marked by the sales decline during 2024 for Kailan's ID. Kailan's ID Instagram activity in July and August correlate with an increase in visitor and orders. However, during the inactive period in September and October, visitor declined. An anomaly occurred in October, where orders increased despite the drop in traffic. When posting resumed in November and December, no significant improvement was seen. This inconsistent pattern indicates that Kailan's ID Instagram marketing has not been effective in consistently attracting visitors or sustaining purchase intention. So this is a table about mention. The table shows that mention on Kailan's ID Instagram correlate with the store visit. In July and August, both increased alongside active posting. While in September and October, the absence of posts led a drop in mention and visit, indicating that very call or mention influenced in purchase intention. However, despite a rise in mention and in November and December, store visit remains stagnant, suggesting a shift in customer purchase intention. This highlights need to further research on the relationship between brand recall and purchase intention towards Kailan's ID. So, based on the data present above, the main issue identified in Kailan's ID is the consistent decline in sales each quarter, indicating a decrease in customer purchase intention. Throughout 2024, this is likely due to the suboptimal implementation of social media marketing, particularly the inconsistent posting pattern from October to December. Although the number of Instagram mentions increased during this period, along with the number of posts, it was not followed by an increase in store visits or orders. This suggests that Calend's ID has not yet success in building strong brand recall to drive purchase intention. Therefore, I am interested in researching this further, as both social media marketing and brand recall are suspected to have no significant influence. The next is problem statement. The first is how do respondents view the influence of social media marketing and brand recall on purchase intention at Kailan's ID? Second, how significant the influence of social media marketing on purchase intention for Kalians ID. Third is how significant is the influence of brand recall on purchase intention for Kalians ID. And last is how significant is the influence of social media marketing and brand recall on purchase intention for Kalians ID. The next is research objective. First, to understand respondents' perception of the influence of social media marketing and brand recall on purchase intention at Kalians ID. Second, to determine the extent of the influence of social media marketing on purchase intention at Kalians ID. Third is to determine the extent of the influence of the brand recall on purchase intention at Kalians ID. So the last is to determine the extent of the influence of social media marketing and brand recall on purchase intention at Kalians ID. So the next is conceptual framework. This research is grounded in management theory, which is further specified into marketing management theory. Within this framework, three core theories underpin this research: customer behavior, marketing communication, and strategic branding. First is customer behavior. It's influenced by factors such as age, lifestyle stage, economic condition, etc. These factors shape customer purchase behavior, including purchase intention. The indicator of purchase intention in this study refer to Kotler and Killer, which include transactional attention, referential intention, preferential intention, and explanatory intention. The second is marketing communication. Marketing communication involves the marketing communication mix, including advertising, sales promotion, event experience, etc. With technological advancement, the marketing communication mix can now be optimized via social media, forming the basis of social media marketing. The study adopts the four key elements of social media marketing by Hauer: context, communication, collaboration, and connection. And the last is for strategic branding. The study refers to the customer based on brand equity model, which emphasizes the importance of brand recall as a key indicator in building brand awareness, thus forming effective brand equity. The brand recall indicator used refer to Vega et al., which include ID recall, un-ID recall, and top of mind. So this is a research paradigm. Social media marketing X1 and brand recall X2 to purchase intention. Next is hypothesis formulation. H1, social media marketing has significant effect on purchase intention Kalians ID. H2, brand recall has significant effect on purchase intention Kalians ID. And HT, social media marketing and brand recall have a significant effect on purchase intention Kalians ID. The next is research methodology. The type of research will be used is quantitative, as it collects and analyzes numerical data for the purpose of describing, explaining, predicting, and controlling various interesting phenomena. And this research will be used is descriptive and variable design. The population of this research includes all Instagram followers of Kalians ID, totaling 3,940 followers. On the Isaac and Michael formula above, the required sample is 337 respondents. The study used primary data in the form of questionnaires and secondary data such as book, journal, market share, etc. The instrument will be used in a Likert scale 1 until 5, where each item will be validated and testing for reliability using a pre-test involving respondents with similar characteristics. When the data is collected, it will be tested through classical assumption tests, including normality, multicollinearity, and heteroscedasticity tests. Further tests will include multiple linear regression analysis, multiple correlation analysis, and coefficient of determination analysis. Finally, hypothesis testing will be conducted using t-test and f-test to answer the formulated research hypothesis. So this is all I can present. Thank you for listening to the research outline I have prepared. Sorry if you found many mistakes in my presentation, and I hope this research can provide insight for business to optimize their marketing strategies on Instagram, especially for the brand's Kalians ID. And finally, I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice.